Welcome back to PMart. Today we have Spigen Glass Easy Fit Screen Protector. This is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. With the phone's strong glass, it's better to be safe than sorry. This is an easy installation, oleophobic coating, and case friendly. We got for around $16 and it's a 2-pack. Here's your barcode or serial number, so let's open it. What's inside the box is 2 cleaning wipes, microfiber cloth, 2 dust removal sticker, a tool to push the bubbles out, installation guide, 2 trays, and 2 screen protector. Just make sure all your tools is easily reachable. Take the microfiber cloth to get a little bit of that dust. Put the phone down, get the wipes, wipe it. This is where you really want to get meticulous. Make sure you get all the dust out, because if there's a dust in there, once you put the screen protector, it'll be more of a hassle taking it on and off. Chances are you're gonna have more bubble, so it's just kind of like a one-time deal. Get some of the dust that was still in there. Take the tray, peel this out. Make sure you stay away from the phone because dust might fall in the screen. Also, when you peel it, angle it down so no dust would go in the screen protector. Go ahead and peel it. Top goes where the dynamic island is. Press down, lock it on the phone. And slide. And wait 30 seconds. Press down again just to be sure it's in there. Remove this one. Take the tray out. Take the protection film off. Look for any bubbles, not the corners, kind of raised. So let's go get our squeegee. This side too. This has some. We have a nice clean install. Look at that. No bubbles. You have the oleophobic coating. It feels good on the hands. Nice and smooth. Pretty much kind of like the screen of the iPhone. Let's turn it on. Nice and smooth. Now there is a slight gap between the screen protector and the actual phone, which is what you want, because like me, I put phone cases anyway. So you want to make sure there's a little bit of a gap, or else the case is going to hit it and might bubble up. We have Apple's official silicone case. Let's put it on. No issues whatsoever. You still got a little bit of gap, but that's okay. This case looks nice as well too. Let's just try another case has more of a bigger lip. This one's also okay. You see a little bit of gap in there, which is what you want. So it looks good. That's your Spigen Glass Easy Fit Screen Protector, and it comes with a 2-pack, so it comes in 2 pairs of everything. Now we got this for around $16. We'll put a link down below. Let us know which screen protector you use. Subscribe and stay positive.